The Johnson family went shopping for clothes. The chart below shows what each person bought. Which tally chart correctly shows the information from the chart above? So, the important thing that we're looking for is that the information from the chart up here matches the charts down here. So all together, let's see what all they bought together. Well, let's see what kinds of clothing we have. We have shirts. We have pants. We have dresses. We have skirts. So, let's see. For shirts, we have Jessica bought 3 shirts. So, 1, 2, 3 shirts and 2 dresses. 1, 2. Nelson bought 2 pairs of pants. 1, 2. Mr. Johnson bought 3 pairs of pants. 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, whenever you're making tallies, whenever you do the 5th tally, it is always going to go across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see what we did there? And he had bought 3. So 1, 2, that was my 3rd one. Okay? He also bought 2 shirts. 1, this would be my 5th one, 2. Ms. Johnson bought 3 skirts. 1, 2, 3 by skirts, and 3 pairs of pants. So pants, 1, 2, 3. This represents everything that the family bought together. Now, let's go to our answer choices and see which one of these matches. So for shirts, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go over here and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shirts works. How many pants did we have? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the same number of pants. Let's see. Dresses. So dresses, it says that we have 3. Well, let's see over here. How many dresses do we have? 1, 2. Well, here we only have 2 dresses, but this chart's saying that we have 3. So does that match our chart? No. So we know that this chart would be incorrect. Let's count how many skirts we have, though. Skirts, 2. Over here we have 1, 2, 3. That also does not match. So that means A could not be our answer, because A does not match our chart for the information above. Let's look at B. B says that the family bought 6 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we look at our chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if they have 6 and we have 5, does that match? No, that doesn't work. Well, let's see how many pants it says that they bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that match? It does. How many dresses? Well, it says 1, 2. If you look over here at our chart, it says 1, 2. So that matches. How many skirts did we buy? Well, we know we bought 1, 2, 3. This chart says that we bought 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we buy 4? No, we only bought 3. So that does not match. So we know that B doesn't match the information provided to us above. So we know that B does not work. Let's look at C. C says that we bought 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts. Let's look at our chart. We bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we bought 5 shirts. So this has 4, but we really bought 5. So it does not match our information above. Pants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's compare. We know that this is how many we bought together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one says 5, but we know we have 8. So we know that this is not right either. Dresses says that we bought 2. Look at our chart, 1, 2. So that does match. But let's see our skirts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, well that matches as well. But the number of shirts and pants does not match the total that we bought altogether. So we know that C would not work. That only leaves D, but let's double check it anyway. D says we bought 5 shirts. How many did we buy up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So does that match? Yes. Pants. It says that we bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that match? Yes, it does. It says that we bought 2 dresses. 1, 2. 1, 2. Does that match? Yes, it does. Well, let's see how many skirts. 1, 2, 3. We know that we bought all together 1, 2, 3. So we know that our answer is D because it matches the total amount that the family got together in the chart above.